Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Audi A3 door lock, updated. Begin by verifying power at the fuse and switch, then isolate the actuator and wiring. Remove the door panel carefully, label clips, and test the actuator with a multimeter. If the actuator fails, replace it and retest operation before reassembling. Lubricate moving parts and confirm all connectors are secure for reliable locking performance. Removing the door panel is straightforward with the right tools and patience. Start by lowering the window for access, then remove visible screws and pry trim gently using plastic tools. Work around the panel perimeter to free clips, lifting the panel to disengage the top lip. Disconnect the electrical connectors carefully and set the panel aside on a soft surface so you can work on the lock mechanism safely. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car repair guides. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker seen here, perfect for hands-free music and timers while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you like smart audio gadgets. Now let's get back to the video. When the actuator is the culprit, remove it and inspect gears and electrical contacts for damage. Replace the unit if gears are stripped or if the motor shows no continuity. Before reinstalling, lubricate linkages and ensure rods are straight and secure. Reconnect the electrical plug. Briefly test the actuator with the door harness connected, then reassemble the door panel and verify smooth locking and unlocking from both remote and door switch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.